Most contractors don't run out of work because of skill. They lose leads because inquiries come in from different places, response times are slow, and follow-ups get forgotten once the day gets busy. By the end of this, you'll know the most effective ways contractors actually generate more leads, how to improve response speed, and how to turn more inquiries into booked jobs without spending more on ads. Getting more contractor leads isn't just about marketing. It's about capturing every inquiry, responding fast, and making it easy for customers to book you before they move on to someone else. The first step is tightening lead capture. Every call, website form, Facebook message or referral should immediately go into one system instead of staying scattered across texts or notebooks. This matters because lost or delayed lead tracking is one of the biggest hidden causes of inconsistent job flow. The second step is response speed. Contractors who respond quickly to new inquiries usually win more jobs simply because customers are still actively shopping and comparing options. This means having a system where new leads trigger immediate notifications, so no message sits unseen. The third step is follow-up automation. Many jobs are not lost immediately. They are lost after the first conversation when no one follows up. Automated reminders, quote follow-ups, and check-in messages help keep your business in front of the customer without manual effort. The fourth step is improving your quote process. If customers have to wait too long for pricing, they often choose another contractor who responds faster. Using templates and standardized pricing structures helps you send quotes quickly and consistently. Another important factor is reputation. Most customers compare reviews before booking, so having a steady flow of positive feedback builds trust before you even speak to them. This means asking for reviews after completed jobs and making it part of your normal workflow. When comparing lead generation methods, the main difference is between active marketing and system-based lead conversion. Active marketing brings in new inquiries. System-based conversion focuses on making sure you don't lose the leads you already have. The biggest gains usually come from fixing internal processes before increasing AD spend or marketing efforts. A practical next step is to look at your last 10 lost leads. If most of them didn't get a fast response or follow-up, your biggest improvement will come from tightening your lead tracking and response system. If this helped you understand how to get more leads, like the video, and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of contractor growth strategies and business systems.